found a baby black caiman not that long ago, and he was missing all of his toes because the piranhas had eaten them off. It was really sad. He just had these stumps, and he was swimming around the water, and I was like, you are not going to make it. He was like 8 inches, and he was such a cute little puppy. He had those big eyes, and I was just like, man, you already are missing all your toes. I was like, it's just a matter of time. Now he can't get away, so some big agami heron's going to come and just nail him, pop him down his throat, and that's the end of that for the caiman.
I mean, nature is metal.
Nature sure as shit is metal.
Bite off a little bit and then makes you vulnerable, and then that vulnerability is exploited by some other species, and then that's it.